So far, Ace Adventure, thumbs up. Like, this is some gnarly crap. Like, if you can see that behind me, like, this is a really good spot. There's plenty more here to do, but it is slicker than pig snot out here. Steve is getting rowdy after it. This is really rowdy stuff because it's so new and fresh. I'm gonna try not to fall, but I'm gonna turn you guys around and see some action. Again, we are at Ace Adventure Park for West Virginia 4 Fest, breaking in a new trail, and it is a workout. I took this alternate line over here. Steve's trying to beat it down on this. I came really close, but the break over, this wasn't easy. It looks wide enough on camera, but it really isn't, and it's all, I'm somewhere up there. There's big stuff over here. Go. Let the reds work. You're gonna have to bump it from there. Crawl it again. Huh? Crawl it again. And once you, yeah, crawl it. Suck down the front a little bit. Yeah. Back up a little bit more. Bump it right there. What? Yeah, Steve. The freaking reds did work. There you go.
Okay. Stop. Back up passenger. Right there. Get back up a little.
This is basically the top of the trail. Me and Steve ended up there unassisted.
was really fun, and once it gets a little bit more broken in, it will be a really fun time.
Yep. Nice.
Keep going. Winch.
Well, that was a slimy mess. Typical East Coast. When you have moss and a new trail, it's going to be slippery, especially when it rained the week before. But we got up it, and that's all that matters. Couple winch pulls on some guys, and no breakage majorly yet. Stay tuned. There's plenty more action from Ace coming up, and as always, we will catch you on the trail.